When you get bitten by a venomous animal, the signs can show up pretty quickly, usually within 30 minutes. And that depends on the animal. Mostly you might notice single or multiple puncture wounds right away. Pain at the bite site is common, and it can escalate quickly. Keep an eye out for edema or swelling and ecchymotic bruising, which can be a sign of something more serious. You might even see serosanguineous to hemorrhagic discharge from the puncture wounds, ranging from a clear fluid to something more alarming like blood. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Don't take chances with envenomations. They can escalate fast.